Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include satellite radio, OnStar communication system, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2015 Equinox. Fuel efficiency, safety, and value equals the Chevy Equinox and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, traction control, keyless entry, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.